Welcome to our channel. If you want to add TSA PreCheck to your airline ticket, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure faster security screening. Step 1. After receiving your TSA PreCheck approval, locate your known traveler number in your approval email or on the TTP website at ttp.dhs.gov. Step 2. Log in to your airline's website or mobile app using your booking confirmation number and last name. Step 3. Navigate to Manage Booking, My Trips, or View Modify Reservation to access your flight details. Step 4. Look for the Traveler Information or Passenger Details section within your reservation. Step 5. Click Edit or Add Information next to your name to update your passenger profile. Step 6. Find the field labeled Known Traveler Number, KTN, or TSA PreCheck number and enter your 9-digit number. Step 7. Save your changes by clicking Update or Save. The airline system will verify your TSA PreCheck status. Step 8. Check your boarding pass after check-in. If successfully added, you'll see TSA Pre or PreCheck printed on your boarding pass, indicating you can use expedited security lanes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.